Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm going to show you what my son's favorite new book is, but I'm not gonna lie, I think it might be mine too. It's this ABC Animal Alphabet book by Sabrina and Eunice Moyle. It's so exciting and fun and colorful, it's really hard not to get into it. It's impossible to just read this book without singing it because it's so exciting and I love how they rhyme everything to the different animals in the alphabet. My son doesn't often sit still through a whole book, but this one he loves and he often wants it reread also. I really like how durable this book is because he's constantly eating, snacking, and ripping the pages open and everything, but I like that it's this strong cardboard so it's not getting worn at all. If you're looking for a super fun book to read with your child and you're also learning the alphabet, this is the perfect, most exciting way to do it. But that's just my point of view.